Hi everybody.
Hello.
We are at Coronado Springs for about a week.
I think it's called Coronado Springs.
Coronado Springs.
I don't think that's correct at all.
For a week over Easter. And we were pleasantly surprised that we were upgraded from a standard room to a junior suite.
Yes.
So we're gonna be vlogging the room for you, show you around, show you what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, I'm really excited to stay here.
Yeah.
We just got our stuff in here.
Well, we've been here for a couple of nights, and well, yeah, it's true.
Just
it is
one night?
like one longer. Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a standard room, which is great. Yeah. So yeah, I'm definitely really excited about this. So
me too.
We'll show you guys around.
Yep. Okay, so when you first walk in here, it's set up exactly like a king standard room. Just have the king bed, just like normal. The TV, the counter space, the drawer space, the Keurigs, everything. And I apologize, all of our stuff we just got in the room, so you're kind of see that. But there's the chair in the corner, the artwork. It's really, like I said, it's literally the standard room on this side. You can see there's really not any art behind that. That could use some art, that's for sure. See the 3 caballeros, the bathroom, hey. Of course the double sinks and all the toiletries and everything. Lots of storage space, which is excellent. And you've got the closet in here. Sorry, my daughter. Hi, baby. Got the closet in here. Jared, there's robes. There's robes.
Roabs.
Yes. Extra sheets and blankets and pillows, iron, more storage. Very great. And obviously, got your bathroom. This one has a tub, which is what we really need. When you have a toddler, you have to bathe. You gotta have a tub. And of course, it comes with the H2O products and the pumps. Don't personally like them. I feel like they're very watered down, but there's the shower and the tub. Of course, all of the towels in the toilet. Nothing too exciting. So we'll get out of here. Hey, there's Jared again.
Hey.
One thing I do want to make note of before we move on to the other room is that there's a lot of space here next to the queen bed. I know that's different from having 2 queens, but we just came from a 2 queen standard, so it's nice to have all this space over here. And just real quick, I showed you the drawer space, but here's a closer look here. Lots of counter space. There's, of course, the Keurig ice maker, or the ice holder, I guess, cups and everything. And then the fridge is down here, which is just like the one on the other side. So not too shabby, not too shabby. My favorite thing about this place is the pocket doors. They close just like that. Yep, it's perfect. Here's the connecting rooms. So they took 2. Bye. So they did the connecting rooms here. And this, they took the bed out, they took the side tables out, and they just made it into a living room. So you can see, obviously the TV's right there. The dresser area. And this is where there's another fridge. You can never have too many fridges, I think. There's no second Keurig in here, but that's okay. Trash. This side does have a table, which I really like having a table. We put all our stuff on the table, I feel. The window, and of course, the couch and the chair area. Looks pretty, I mean, it's pretty sweet. This is very ideal for families. Same setup as the other side. So it has 2 bathrooms in this suite. And again, the shower, I won't turn it on or go in there, but you can kind of see it's pretty sweet. We are in Casitas 1, building 1. You can see down there is the fountain area. I'm actually take you guys outside. And This area down here is where they do movies under the stars. And then that is El Centro, and then behind that is the Gran Destino Tower. Hi, baby. So we are in a preferred, hey Jared, we're in a preferred section of the resort, which is very nice, and I'm really excited to experience that. Okay, well that's it for the Coronado Springs Junior Suite vlog we have for you. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at the room and what you can expect if you ever get to stay here yourself. You know, full disclosure, we did not expect this upgrade. This was just a happy surprise.
Very much so.
Yeah, so we really appreciate the staff at Coronado Springs and everybody that helped us able to get this room. So,
yes.
You know, hopefully you guys can stay here sometime and experience it as well. So,
yeah.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you know you like Disney. So just subscribe there, or you can, there's some videos there you can check out. And then, but if you don't like Disney, then don't.